Yo, what's going on, guys? Sinister Skater here, and I got a little something in the mail today that we're going to open up. It's going to be pretty cool. First things first, I want to apologize if the audio is bad. I forgot my lav mic, so I don't know if you're going to be using camera audio in the end or if to put my mic right here to see if I can salvage some good audio. We'll see. I apologize if it ends up being bad, but today I have a hoodie that we're going to open up and try on that was sent to me by a company called Into the AM, who contacted me, asked me if I wanted a sweatshirt to be sent to me, and I said sure, why not? Their stuff is cool. So let's go ahead and see what they got. We do have a galaxy themed sweatshirt, which is awesome. I was hoping I'd get one of these, and here we have it. We have standard shipping stuff, not important for the sake of this video, but you guys can see it right here, wrapped in some nice plastic. We'll go ahead and crack the plastic open as well. And interesting, cool looking hoodie. So here is the design. I will be throwing some B-roll so you can get a better thought of it, and I'll try it on in a second, but this is what, let me throw it in front of this bench. This is what it looks like. You have the Into the AM logo right here. In the back it has this logo here, and you can see it's just a big galaxy theme. I'll probably throw in the B-roll right now, but it looks pretty awesome, and a lot of their merch looks like this. They have like dark matter camo looking one from Black Ops 3, which looks awesome. They have this one, it's like called Space Minimalist, which looks pretty nice. It's like this, it's like the same design as this, but it's gray and black, which looks really fresh. And yeah, let's go ahead and throw this thing on and see how it fits now. All right, yeah, I am wearing this, and I am not gonna lie, this fits me really well. I usually wear a medium, and this it's like a perfect fit. It's kind of interesting. It has like a, I don't know, it's like a polyester. I don't know what the materials are. I probably should look it up before I say it. It was like a, you know, a polyester material, so it's not gonna stretch out too much and stuff, and it fits me very well. Let me step to the side so you can get like a full look. So, this camera angle is weird, but there you go. There you have it. It looks pretty awesome. It fits me very well. I actually like the design of this, and let's get a close-up. You probably already saw a close-up from B-roll and stuff, but, you know.
Alright, I need you to work it for me. Yes. Yes, that is it right there. Yes, honey. Yes, hold it. Hold that pose. Yes, 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 that is it right there. Yes, honey, work it. Give me that work. Yes, work that sweatshirt, work that Team Electric hoodie. Yes, 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 I strike that pose. Yes, 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 yes. Work it one more time, work time. Alright, finish it. Finish it for me. Yes, work it. That is it right there. You are the bomb. Yes.
Gotta say, this is pretty nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. So, if you guys are interested in anything like this and you want to support my channel and support me, you can go to their store. Links will be down below in the description and stuff as always. And you can use my code, which is SYNSKATER, SYNSK8R, at checkout for additional 10% off. And some of those profits go to me. So you can help me out that way and, you know, try out this. If this is what you're into, you like this stuff, you can go ahead and cop it. I'll throw up some stuff at the end right now so you can see some of their, I'll scroll through the site so you can see what they got. It's pretty cool stuff if you're into it. And also, if you guys are into the Overwatch League, which let me throw up right here. This is what I had on earlier, Overwatch League hoodie. I'm well into it. These guys actually are the official vendors of the Overwatch League player jerseys, where you can get like the actual player customization jerseys instead of just like the standard team ones. If you guys are into that, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit something different. Guys, your boy was making moves, finally getting some cool partnerships and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. As always, my name is Sinister Skater. Again, the code is SYNSKATER. Links all down below in the description, stuff like that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe for future gaming content and other stuff like this. It's my channel. I like to do whatever I want to do. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. My name is Sinister Skater. Again, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out. Thank you Into the AM for sending me this too. Deuces.